So I didn't find out about this new milestone until we were in line, which was very exciting.
Yes.
So stay tuned, this video is gonna be a blast. Good morning, you guys. We are at Volcano Bay today. You wanna say hi, bud?
Hi, you guys. Thank you for 100 subscribers, you guys.
We just hit a new milestone. We're very happy about it. So I guess we're celebrating by going to Volcano Bay. You ready, bud? You ready to go see a volcano? Look at that volcano.
I think that's what my daddy's going.
I think so. Go ahead. You ready?
Wait, yeah.
Step on the water. Really
No.
Here, hold the camera back up.
Okay.
Hey, you guys. But you know, we just found the water coaster. It's not the best, but you guys can see it. Look, it's basic. It's those dropping coasters. It's those dropping coasters. You know, like Great Wolf Lodge, where you just go like. That's what it's like, you guys. That's what it's like.
I'm telling you, the one that feels so
But
good.
then like the rest of it is like the rest of it it's the coaster.
Yeah, I feel good.
Then
The waves are gonna start coming. Turn it around. We want waves. We want waves.
let's go underwater, you guys. Hopefully you'll see the waves when we come back up.
Right, that's how it's hot. Careful, it's gonna be slippery.
This is the play area.
Yeah. Look, bud.
Is this the play area?
Yeah. What? There's fun stuff to do in here. I want to show you some. You know those water guns that you do? They have it in here. Oh, there's cabanas up here too. That's cool. Yep. Or at least they were when I went to go book one. Oh, what's this do? See, I told you it'd be games to play here. Hey, boys, why don't we pull aside and let them go? Because we're going to be doing a lot of the interactive stuff. Christian, come on. Well, then I'm going.
What do you want?
He doesn't want to do it. It's too dark for him. Christian, it's not dark up here. Look, there's lights. I think this is where we want to be. There it is, bud, right here, look. Just gonna ask you some questions. See? Say hi. Is she not working today?
Hi, Mr. Volcano. How are you? How's the volcano?
She usually talks back, I'm surprised. Might be like a tap thing in the front, I don't know. But this is what I was talking about, bud. You don't want to go that way, but it's the water coaster. See, that's all. Yeah, we're gonna go back. Let's see what's happening. Oh, here's an exit right here, bud. Oh, so we could have came up and gone around. No, you want to go back? You want to go back the other way? See, that's all. Weird. Christian, you ready for an adventure?
Yeah.
Are you ready, bud? Christian, hold on a minute. I want to hold on to your hand so we don't lose each other in the lazy river. Hold on, no. Put your body on that side. No. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, that's better. Say hi, buddy.
Just say hi to everybody. Say hi, everybody.
Be careful, I don't want you falling in, bud. You want to hold on to it? It's almost dead, so. Don't drop it, bud. Can I hold on to it? Because I don't want you dropping it either.
It's already.
Hey guys, we are back in Volcano Bay at our hotel, the Lowe's Royal Pacific, and we are eating dinner at Jake's American Bar and Grill tonight. What are we gonna get for dinner, bud?
Me, and Mommy are getting cheese pizza.
We have no idea what my husband's gonna get. So, and we're gonna get some pretzel rods to start out with. So we will show you guys all of that good stuff. But we just had to turn around and show you
Yeah.
this absolutely gorgeous waterfall right outside the restaurant.
Yeah.
And this is all at the Lowe's Royal Pacific Hotel. It's amazing.